Seems the days of the checkbook are gone. However, there is still a need to track your expenses, whether that be in a checking account or in some sort of other credit account. And there is an easy way to use Excel in order to calculate your current balance with consideration for any credits as well as any debits. So the workbook that I have in front of you has a couple worksheets, but we are going to focus on tracking balances for this particular demonstration. So we are starting with a beginning balance of $1,000. So what I need to do first is to put in a formula to calculate the amount we are starting with. So I'm going to start with an equal sign. I am going to take this beginning balance cell. I am going to then put the addition symbol in to add any credits, and then the minus sign to subtract any debits. We don't have any right now. But then I am going to press enter, and you can see that with my beginning balance, when the credit was added, we now have a balance of $1,555. So moving forward, what I'm going to do is start with an equal symbol. I'm going to choose the cell with the most recent balance, and then I'm going to add the credits, subtract the debits, and press enter. Once you have done that, you can then fill the formula or copy the formula. Because it is relative, it will automatically pull from the cell above for the current total and then add any credits and subtract any debits. When we first started, we started by using a cell reference for this beginning balance. Many people would hard code, which means instead of having D3 plus C7 plus C7, they would start with the number 1000. The benefit with using a cell reference for this particular number is if this changed. So I went back through and I audited my previous statement, and I found out that I actually had a little more to begin with. When I enter the new amount and press enter, it automatically updated all the other amounts. So this is a quick way that you can keep track of your own expenses by using Microsoft Excel. I hope this helps.